Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit Pevensey Castle and Herstmonceux Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! Thank you guys that you are staying on my channel, as I wasn't posting for about I think month. I need to fix the car and other things to do. Now I'm back exploring the castles. So as you can see, is ruins. Well, the Roman fort was built during the 3rd century. The reasons for its construction are unclear. The long thought to have been part of the Roman defensive system to guard the British coast from Saxon raiders, but the fort had fell into ruin by the time of Norman conquest of England. We are inside the castle. In 1066, William the Bastard sailed his invading fleet into the Bay of Pevensey. After landing, he immediately built a temporary fortification within the walls of the Roman fort to shelter his troops. And what he did with the castle is basically he cut a ditch around the ruins, and also he repaired the walls to create a castle. The castle defenders were put to the test for the first time in the rebellion of 1088, when Robert Curthose rebelled against the new king, William Rufus. Although the castle defenders were strong enough to resist assaults from land and sea, well, of course. So the walls is around here, around the castle, and then there is the walls a little bit further down there. It was hard to break in. The castle faced several sieges, although its garrison was twice starved into a surrender, but was never successfully stormed. In 4085, when the Tudor dynasty took over, the castle was abandoned, and by 1573 it was recorded to be in ruins. So we are in Herstmonceux Castle. It's very busy here. Full car park there and full car park a little bit further. It is the home of the Better International Study Center, so it's only by tour guides. I'm not sure if I can film inside or not. I will ask and we will find out. It's a very impressive castle. There is a moat around the castle too, with water, as you can see. Basically I will just go around. There's a lot of people because of the Easter, so it's kind of busy castle today. The castle was built by Roger Fiennes. He was appointed treasurer of the household of Henry VI of England and needed a house, a man of his position, so construction of the castle began in 1441. The castle was sold to George Naylor, a London lawyer, in 1708, and later came into the possession of the Robert Hare Naylor, who reduced the castle picturesque ruin by demolishing its interior. In 1777, the castle was dismantled, leaving the exterior walls standing, and remained a ruin until 1930, when restoration work was undertaken. The one major change in the planning was the combination of the 4 internal courtyards into one large one, which one you can see now. It was divided on four small courtyards. In 1957, the Herstmonceux Castle grounds became the home of the Royal Greenwich Observatory, which one is behind me, as you see. But I'm not sure if these telescopes are working now. Looks very rusty. But now it is a Better International Study Center. So the students from other countries coming here and study. If you look from this side, it looks like a Bodiam Castle, but without the bridge. If you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.